Are you noticing it takes longer to dry your clothes? Are your clothes extremely warm or even hot when coming out of the dryer? Are you seeing lint settle in your laundry room? Are you noticing your dryer is hot to the touch? Is the hose for your dryer made from plastic or vinyl? All of these are classic signs that your dryer vent needs to be cleaned now. Did you know there are over 17,000 fires caused every year? Did you know these fires account for over $194 million in property damages? If you call us, not only will you be safer, but you will also save money on your energy bill. Call us now.